Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Bhasha School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 11 of annual term, and today's SW number will be 10. My dear student, today's topic name exercise 5.2. From 5.2 we shall solve CQ 18 as your CW and CQ 17 will be your SW. You must do your essay in SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday. So my dear student, let us start our class. I have already written question number 18 on the board. Okay, so at first we did the question to solve the problem. So here a equal to x square minus 5x plus 6, b equal to x square minus 7x plus 12 and c equal x square minus 9x plus 20 are three algebraic expressions. Okay, a number, find the difference between x by y and x plus y by y. That means we need to do subtraction of these two numbers and we get the answer. B number question, express 1 by b plus 1 by c into the lowest term. That means at first we do the addition of 1 by b plus 1 by c. After that we get a result and we convert that result into lowest term. Okay, C number question, turn 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c into the fractions with a common denominator. So my dear student, at first we convert a, b and c fraction into factors. After that we write that just like 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c in that form. Okay, so after getting that fractions, we convert those fractions into fractions with common denominator. Okay, so at first we solve question number A. Find the difference between x by y and x plus y by y. My dear student, we need not the step to solve this math. So we solve this math directly. X by y minus x plus y by y, cause we need to do difference. Difference means subtraction. Here y is the LCM from both denominator. We divide y by y, we get 1. 1 is multiplied with x, we get x. Minus sign is here. After that we divide this y by y and we get 1. That 1 is multiplied with this x plus y and we get x plus y. Now x plus minus minus x plus minus minus y by y. Dear student, this one and this one are gone, left minus y by y. We cut and we get minus 1. So this is the answer of question number A. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, question number B. Question number B. Here express 1 by b plus 1 by c into lowest term. Okay, so in order to solve this math, we need the expression b and c. So B number, given that b equal to x square minus 7x plus 12 and c equal x square minus 9x plus 20. So first of all we convert b and c into factor. Here x square b equal to x square minus 7x plus 12. Dear student, at first we convert this expression into factors by using middle term break method. Here minus 7x. So by seeing the sign of constant term, we know this sign is plus sign. So we break this middle term by doing addition. By doing addition, we can do addition in two ways, plus plus and minus minus. But here minus, so we do addition here minus and minus, taking minus and minus term. Here 12. We know minus 3 minus 4. If we add, then we get minus 7. If we multiply, minus 3 minus 4, then we get plus 12. I hope you have understood. So 3 and 4 is the factor. So x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 12. So first of all we take x common and left x minus 4 and 3 common, minus 3 common, left x minus 4. So x minus 4 common and here left x minus 3. So be done. Next we do the same work for expression C, 9x plus 20. At first we do multiplication, x square with 20, we get 20x square. So if we convert this 20x square into two factors, then we get 5 and 4. That means If we add minus 5 with minus 4, then we get 9. If we multiply minus 5 with minus 4, then we get plus 20. So x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. So x common and left x minus 5. Minus 4 common, left x minus 5. So x minus 5 common and left x minus 4. So now my dear student, we do addition. That means 1 by b plus 1 by c. Here 1 by b means the value of b is x minus 4, x minus 3. On the other hand, 1 by c value is x minus 5, x minus 5 into x minus 4. So we take the LCM first, common and uncommon term both. That means x minus 4 common, we take this one, x minus 3 left and x minus 5 left. So this is the LCM of the denominators. Okay. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction and we get x minus 5. X minus 5 is multiplied with what? And we get x minus 5. This plus sign is here. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the second fraction and we get x minus 3. That x minus 3 is multiplied with this 1 and we get x minus 3. My dear student, we don't give bracket because this sign is plus. If this sign is minus, then we give must bracket. But here plus means the sign will be not changed. Okay. Now we do addition x, that means 2x, minus 5 minus 3, that means minus 8, x minus 4, x minus 3 and x minus 5. Dear student, notice 1 by b plus 1 by c into the lowest term. That means 2x minus 8, x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 5 is the result of this two fraction. Okay. Now from this expression we take 8 2 common and left x minus 4 and x minus 4, x minus 3, x minus 5. X minus 4, x minus 4 cut and left 2 into x minus 3, x minus 5. My dear student, this is the lowest term of 1 by b plus 1 by c. I hope you have understood and this is the answer of question number B. Right? Next we shall solve question number C. Turn 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c into the fractions with a common denominator. That means when we convert the fractions into common denominator, that denominator will be same. That means this denominator same, this denominator same and these denominators are same. I hope you have understood. Now my dear student, we need to solve. Notice 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c. That means a, b and c. Three expressions are needed. So when we want to solve question number 3, first of all we write given that here b equal to x square minus 7x plus 12, c equal to x square minus 9x plus 20. So you also need the expression a. So a is x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay. So my dear student, here we write from b we get. From b we get. Okay. B means b equal to x minus 4 into x minus 3. Okay. And c equal to x minus 5 into x minus 4. And now we want to convert the fractions, the expression a into factors. So now a equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. We use here middle term break method. From these two expression, x common and left x minus 3, minus 2 common, left x minus 3. So x minus 3 common and left x minus 2. So x minus 3, x minus 2 is the factors of x square minus 5x plus 6. Now we write this expression as 1 by a means 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. 1 by b means 1 by x minus 4 into x minus 3. 1 by c equal to 1 by x minus 5 into x minus 4. Okay. So now we convert this and this fraction into fractions with common denominator. In order to find that, at first we need to find out the LCM of these denominators. So LCM of the denominators are LCM of the denominators are denominators is, what is this? Common and uncommon term all. X minus 2, so we write x minus 2 first. Then x minus 3, we take on x minus 3. Then x minus 4, we take on x minus 4 and x minus 5. This is the LCM of these three denominators. Now we divide this LCM by the denominators of the first fraction. That means x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 divided by x minus 2, x minus 3. When we divide, then we get x minus 4 and x minus 5. Okay, this number is get by dividing LCM by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now we multiply this number by numerator and denominator both. Okay, so here 1 by a equal to 1 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Multiply both number by this one and we get x minus 4 into x minus 5 and we get x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. So first one is done. Similarly, we shall solve, that means we divide x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5 divided by x minus 4, denominator of the second fraction, x minus 4, x minus 3, and here left x minus 2 and x minus 5. Okay, now we write 1 by b into 1 by b equal to 1 by x minus 4 into x minus 3, multiplying both numerator and denominator by x minus 2 into x minus 5 and we get x minus 2 into x minus 5, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Okay, second one is done. We shall do the same work for the third one. So first of all we divide x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4 and x minus 5 by x minus 5 and x minus 4 and we get x minus 2, x minus 3. This one is multiplied with numerator and denominator both. So x minus 5, x minus 4. When we multiply, then we get x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 2, x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. So this one and this one are the fraction of common denominator. Notice the three denominators are same. This is the answer of question number C. No need to write answer separately. Okay. So my dear student, today this is our today's lecture and lecture number and question number 17 will be your SW. My dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.